Thank
Okay,
you.
please. Where do you teach the students?
Yeah, basically, I'm teaching in Bihar State as a younger students, 5 to 6 class of students. I'm teaching in private school. Yeah,
Okay, which subject do you teach?
yeah, all subject because if you have been getting a lower classes students, so it will be very easy for managing all subject. But according to my subject, most of the time, mostly I'm teaching English subject to all my students. Yes.
Okay, yeah, definitely. It helps you a lot. If you teach
Yeah,
English subjects, all of the of yeah, it helps you a lot to speak the English language. Are you comfortable in speaking and speaking?
of course. Yeah, why not? Because I love to. I love to this process. During this process,
Okay,
you are learning so many things, right? First, you will be awareing the humans, right? And as well as you will be learning so many customs, rituals, behaviors, many things. You will be learn how to respect other, right? So I
yeah,
always enjoy this process while connecting with new peoples. Yes.
okay. That's good. And if we read the books and news, and not news, if we read books, if we read books a lot, it gives us lots of knowledge, which
Yeah,
nobody can give us. And
you are right.
books are good friends. Books are good friends. So I also read the books, my daughter books. I also feel like that it's a very interesting books. These are the interesting books, and I get something new from that, which I haven't
Yeah,
studied earlier. Because I am from Hindi medium. I didn't study in English medium, so it's totally different for me, and I get lots of things from that. So I really enjoyed reading books.
yeah. During reading any kinds of book, you are just awareing someone's perceptions. You know, whatever
Yeah,
has been written, people's their own experience of all of them. So we are learning their experience. We are learning how to maintain balance of life. So these are things that are very requirement, especially in our life. So knowing some kinds of perceptions, and these kinds of idea always help us any of time. So that's why
okay,
book I the reading of so many kinds of story. It's a very essential for any kinds of ageable person. It doesn't matter. Okay.
okay, okay.
Yeah.
And
And
are you motivating, because you are a teacher, are you motivating your students to speak English language? Means
yeah,
became, they can become habitual speaking English language. What all
yeah.
are measures you are taking?
Yeah. Basically, usually I'm used to do some kinds of conversation with all of them, so they can become the familiar of these situations. So they can use that kinds of sentence with their friends, playmate, right? So I'm always try to just create some kinds of environment around my students. Okay. Being a teacher has a responsibility you can consider. So I always try my best. Yes.
That's good. We should try our level best. If we have something, we should distribute. We can say we can. mm we have another word for distribute. For distribute,
Distribute, providing.
not dividing. Contribute. We can contribute our knowledge.
Yeah, yeah, you're
Yeah,
right.
that's
Yeah,
good thing.
yeah, of course.
Okay. Uh, do you have any question to ask me?
Yeah, yeah, of course. This
Please ask.
question belongs to beginner sides. Every people have the same question nowadays. How have you been working on your communication skills? May I know?
Yeah, definitely. I am also doing same things. Means I am watching lots of videos, but I watch good mentor. I prefer to watch good mentor, which gives me knowledge and something new. I have also seen lots of co-learners. They just use simple words, but I want to use something new in my conversation. So I watch a channel. I watch a channel. Its name is Learn English with Zeta, and there is a Vinit Kapoor sir who gives us lots of phrases and idioms that makes our English beautiful. So I every day I go every day they go online. Means husband and wife they both go online and teach on YouTube channel at 8 9 at about 9 o'clock every day. So I prefer to watch his channel.
Mhm.
And earlier I also used to watch his channel. Still I am consistent. I have sticked with that channel. So I'm
Mhm.
learning from their channel a lot.
Okay.
And I am working on my grammar portion as well while watching his video. Uh, and uh, and I converse with co-learners. I try to connect to every day, but
Mhm.
since 1 week I was ill, that's why I was not connecting with anybody. But now I'm fine, so I have started conversing with co-learners. So if we
Okay.
speak, so we learn more and more.
Hmm. Yeah, you're right. So by that way, I can understand. Like by that way, are you improving your communication skills, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
right.
Yeah, according to me, that is a really effective idea of yours, because being a doing practical way in their early time for learning any kinds of skills, it's a very effective, and you are doing the same things. So I really appreciate, and obviously these kinds of idea it should be become the benefit to all the beginner who really want to learn something new, right? And
Yeah,
yeah, you are
if they are beginner, if they are beginner, they can do one more thing. Whatever video they are watching, and they can start writing everything whatever they are watching. So writing part is very essential part for learning English language. Whenever we write something, it goes in our mind and uh, it's become ours when we
yeah.
write. I also used to write a lot earlier, but not at that time. This time I'm not writing a lot, but I'm concentrating on my conversation and watching videos again and again. I repeat one video again and again.
Okay, yeah, that's good.
If you
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, if you
Yeah.
watch one time, it wouldn't get into our mind. If we
Yes.
watch again and again, that it all the content become ours, and
Yeah.
then we have to use that content in our speaking.
Yeah, because we become the punctual of that same situation. You can consider we become the habitual, familiar of these situations, and somehow we become a neighbor of this world, right? Neighborhood you can consider. By meeting
Right.
multiple times, we bond some kinds of relations with the different things. So that's why we become so much
Yeah.
comfortable with that kinds of vocabulary. That's why they wouldn't be forgettable by us, right? And that's why we can
Yeah.
easily remember this vocab why talking with the new peoples, and why easily find out there's kinds of vocab for using in our conversation, right? You're right.
Yeah. Yeah.
And
I would
mhm,
like to tell you some vocabs. Like I have words for you, and you have to tell me the meaning of that word. Means first word
I
is
will
prodigal.
Portugal.
First word is prodigal.
I don't know, sorry, this is
Oh
new
no,
for me.
so don't say sorry. It's new for you. Okay, that's good. Prodigal means extravagant. Who
Okay.
spend a lot, extravagant.
Okay, thank you.
And my next word is frugal eater.
This is also new.
Okay, no, so frugal eater means who eats little, who eats little, who eats
O-
like a bird. We can
okay.
say he is a frugal eater. If I eat like a bird, then I can say I am a frugal eater. Means मैं बहुत कम थोड़ा खाती हूँ. And
Yes, yes.
My another word is glutton. Glutton.
This is also new.
Okay. Glutton means who eats a lot. Who
Okay.
eats a lot. We
Hmm.
call them glutton. He is a glutton.
Okay.
Like
Glutton.
in yeah, we can say in Hindi, वह पेटू है, वह बहुत ज्यादा खाता है, वह हाथी जितना खाता है, like that. We can say like that. He is a
Oh,
glutton. And
yeah.
another word for you, moderate eater.
Moderate. Like repairing something,
Moderate eater.
transforming something,
I'm sorry.
transforming something, repairing, right? Yeah, even optimizing self. Mm-hmm.
No,
Yeah, make
I don't think so. Moderate eater. It's related to eat something.
okay. Yeah, familiar to the both situations, right?
Yeah, moderate eater means थोड़ा खाने वाला. Who eats
Oh,
uh, medium? Who eats medium?
okay, okay.
Glutton who eats a lot. Moderate
Mhm.
eater who eats between glutton and frugal eater. Means
Yeah,
ठीक ठाक खाने वाला. We call them moderate eater.
moderate
These
eater.
are the three words we use for eating purpose. Like glutton, he is a
Mm-hmm.
glutton, वह पेटू है, वह ज्यादा खाता है. He is a moderate eater, वह ठीक ठाक खाता है. He is a frugal eater, वह बहुत कम खाता है. Like that.
Thank you. Thank you for giving me four and three, I think, new vocab. I learned from you today. I really learned. Good. Thank you.
It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure, sir. And
Yeah.
I have one more word for you. Gregarious. Gregarious.
This is also new for me.
Gregarious means
Mm-hmm.
outgoing.
Okay.
Outgoing. Outgoing means uh, extravagant.
Mm-hmm.
Extrovert. Sorry. Not extravagant. Extrovert. Who speaks
Okay.
a lot. Extrovert.
Yeah. 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 Being
Yeah.
alone. They like to live alone.
No, that one is introvert. It's an extrovert who speaks
Okay.
a lot.
Talkative.
Yeah, talkative. You can say talkative and chatterbox. We have lots of word for talkative.
Mm-hmm.
Talkative, chatterbox, motor mouth,
Mm-hmm.
and gregarious as well. And
Yeah.
outgoing also.
Okay.
These are the synonyms for talkative.
Okay.
Shall I
Thank you.
repeat? Shall I
Yeah.
repeat?
Of course.
Gregarious,
Gregarious.
gregarious,
Mm-hmm.
outgoing,
Mm-hmm.
extrovert, and
Mm-hmm.
chatterbox, motor
Chatterbox.
mouth, motor mouth, and
Mm-hmm.
talkative. It's a
Mm-hmm.
common word. Talkative is a common word.
Yeah. Yeah. You're right. Yeah. Because nowadays I'm not remembering any new kinds of vocabulary because I have to distract my attention both of side schooling as well as my communication skills and as well as home responsibility. So that's why I'm unable to focusing a different part of it. But really, I'm so glad because today I learned something new from you, and beginner can also learn
Thank you.
content. Yeah,
Thank you
thank
very
you.
much. It's my pleasure, sir. And
Yeah,
I revise all my content again.
yeah, that's a great way of reminding again and again, and that would be really good for remember. Yeah,
Yeah, definitely, sir.
yeah,
Okay, shall we sum up this session because it's been 15 minutes. Otherwise, it will become long.
yeah, yeah,
And
yeah. Why not?
can I also upload this video?
Yeah, yeah, of course. It's my pleasure
Thank
for
you.
having as a great conversation. Okay, so bye.
Thank